Hey, it's Chaz with the C.A.T. Diaries. This video is part of a series called Family Life at the C.A.T. Diaries. Me and my 7 cats live in this small portable home in the midst of the jungle of Northern Thailand. And family life is about our hilarious and sometimes miraculous interactions together, and with the interactions with the countless creatures that make their way around and into our home. The videos are raw, real, and rough. I do minimal editing so you can catch the spontaneity of the constant adventures that we have. The videos are also quite long, so they're divided into segments, so you're not overwhelmed by lengthy videos. Enjoy Family Life at the C.A.T. Diaries. Where's Shanti, guarding the realm. Hey, baby! Hey! Hey! So, yeah, and a little explanation on the Guardian Queen. Shanti does not sleep with us. She sleeps out here. And her favorite spot right here on what we call the throne in the corner by the window, and she just kind of checks everything out. She got the window, the window open so she can see and smell all the smells and hear all the sounds, and she just kind of protects the realm. So we call her Shanti, the Guardian Queen. Hey, baby. Hey, hey, I know, baby. I know, baby. I know, baby. Baby cute. And look, Tali has retreated. Now, I'm telling you something. This cubby, wow, so much history. Oh my goodness, the play sessions that we had on this condo and in this cubby were prolific. He wants to play. Oh, yeah, Katie boy. Crazy boy. You, crazy boy. You, crazy boy. You, David boy, you. Tell monster. Tell monster. Tell monster. Crazy boys, you. Crazy boys, you. Hey, you. Oh, you little boy, you little boy, you little boy, you little boy, you little boy. I will finish this round of disc golf if it kills me. Okay, so disc golf, you can see that. What you need to know about me is that I've been playing the sport for, let's see now, it will be 30 years next year. And it's something that I love a lot. I cannot imagine life without disc golf. Right now I'm not playing a lot because I have a bum elbow, which is another story. But disc golf, one of my mainstays in life. Okay, he's been sitting here like this for a couple of minutes, so it's time. All right, buddy. Thanks for coming in for a little bit. See you later. Keep the door open a little bit because I want to be able to hear the beautiful night sounds. She didn't know Ciara was there, and she swatted her. Hey, you be nice to your sister. Oh. Shanti, you going into your cave, baby? It's okay, you can go in if you want. Shanti girl, she's been howling and prancing a bit. Alright, almost done here. So look what just landed on me. So this is another example of the interactions I was talking about. We have all kinds of wonderful creatures that come to visit us at the Chi homestead. Come on, guys, you know what I'm going to say. It's nighty-night time at the Chi homestead. Now, 3 are in. Tali and Prissy and Ciara are in the bedroom. And this boy, look at this. He stole the cave tonight. So I got to bring him in. But not before I say good night to the Shanti girl. Night, night, baby. Now I want you to listen very carefully. Night sounds. Just the gentle crickets and drone birds, low, soothing. So, and our guardian queen. Night, baby girl. Night, night, baby girl, you. Night, night, baby girl, you. Thanks for guarding the realm, baby. Yeah, look at this precious girl. I slip into this sweet and deep presence with her so easily. Look at this girl. Okay, baby, love you so much. Love you, baby. So, we have this arrangement. She stays out here and we sleep in there. Didn't used to be that way, but it has been for quite some time. So, at some point it might change, but now we do the best we can. So now, Jordy boy. Okay, there he is. Now I do this very consciously, very specifically, because if I just put him on the bed, then he goes, oh, look, Tali. Oh, look, Ciara. And, wants to play and drives him crazy. And then chaos ensues. So I put him here, and I usually spend a few moments, 30 seconds a minute, couple minutes, whatever, and just, rub my beard on his nose and his cheeks and his forehead and get him calmed down. Tali boy has got Ciara's throne because she was there, but then she went up there. And Prissy, little brat, she snuck in when I opened the door. She snuck in and went under the bed. So we haven't seen much of Prissy at snuggle time because she's been under the bed most of the time, which makes me a little bit sad. But that's the deal, the changing dynamics. And I'm sure there will be some night sounds. And of course, couldn't miss the midnight roosters. Ciara girl. Night night, baby. Night night. Well, look who came up to steal Ciara's throne. Now, watch this. Watch this. All I have to do is put him close. And this is what she does. She is such a maternal thing. The Persian princess, she just is so affectionate. This is exactly what she did with Miko. Yin yang, just like Miko and Ciara. Look at this yin yang again. Yin yang, isn't that cool light? That's my new camera light with the yellow lens, yellow cloth to soften it. Oh, babies. Look at that yin yang. Okay, babies.